guys? It's Caitlin back, or you can call me Cute Fox as my YouTube name.
Mine is Foxy Fox.
Yes, or you can call him Caden because he's my brother. Okay, let's go.
So right now, what we're gonna do?
Can touch it. I'm scared.
We're gonna go inside this room.
Why? I see Cuphead. Yeah, guys, shout out to Cuphead.
We're gonna go in this room. It's like really dark in here.
I'm scared. I have shivers.
The light's right there. I mean, the light won't come on. Can it? The light comes. Well, wait, what?
I'm scared. I thought I heard something.
Oh God, I did already.
I heard something. If you guys heard something, please comment down below and tell us what the sound was. Oh, by the way, don't mind that drawing down there. That's just me trying to work on the Sunday Tubby.
Yeah, but when we was like reading the information about them, we like heard something twice, and now we're hearing something like.
From the bathroom. You want to go?
Now we're hearing something more.
More
stuff.
It gets me creeped out because I'm thinking that there's probably a Sunday Tubby in there, but
there's nothing in there when you go in there.
It's probably a magic.
There's like a noise in there.
Wah wah wah.
So there's like something going in there. There's like either wind
or
like
something.
Someone's putting someone in there.
Yeah.
In there to freak us out or something.
Or maybe it's just my imagination. Shout out to whoever watches this gets a shout out. A free shout out for you guys.
Sometimes people could like call us and like do random things and like they're gonna be creepy. Sometimes.
I see Cuphead already. Guys, Caden was me and Caden was drawing.
Comment down below if you could see that.
Yeah, do you see that? Do you know the way? I know the way. It's right there.
In there.